Welcome to House Party Cocktails. My name is Ivan from Powers Premier, along with one of our top real estate professionals, Mr. Aaron Kribis. Welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Now, I know that you're a big fan of making cocktails. Can I call you a mixologist?
I prefer bartender.
Bartender? So what are you going to show us how to make today to throw the most awesome Halloween house party?
Yeah, so we're gonna take a traditional margarita. We're gonna throw a little festive spin on it. I've got a tequila here that we've infused with an activated charcoal that turns it black. We're gonna go ahead and call it Wicked Witch. So it is just a traditional margarita with the illusion of being a little festive for the holidays.
All right, let's get to it. Show us how to make this thing.
Absolutely.
This looks incredible, Aaron. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. That's incredible.
Oh yeah.
So now that you know how to make the perfect house party cocktail, all you need is a perfect house. So for all of your real estate needs, think Powers Premier. We'll see you next time.